Chipper. Come on. Come here. Come on, Chipper. Come here. Can I pet you? Come on, can I pet you? That's a good bird. That's a good bird. That's a good bird, Chipper. Can you show your wings? Can you show your wings? Can you show your wings? Show your wings. Show your wings. Come on, Chipper. Show your wings. Oh, that's a good bird. That's a good bird, Chipper. Let's see your wings. Come on, let's see your wings, Chipper. Come on. Let's see your wings. Chipper. Let's see your wings. Oh, pretty bird. That's a good bird. Oh, that's a good bird. See your wings. Here. A banana chip. That's a good bird, Chipper. It's a good bird. You like the banana chip. And then you can pet them. If they bow their head, they're usually giving you the authorization to go ahead and pet them. Okay, scratch your head. Huh? Is it okay? Is it okay? Oh, that's a good bird. That's a good bird. Come on. Come on. That's a good bird. Come on, Chipper. Dude, let's see your wings again. Come on. Come on. Chipper. Come on. Here. Here. I'll trick you. Let's see your wings. Oh, let's see your wings. See your wings. See your wings. Oh, pretty bird. It's a good bird. It's a good bird. See your wings? See your wings? It's a good bird.